We've been talking about National Volunteer Week. It's this week, and so because of that, we're going to be showing you some unique ways that you can help out and get involved.
So today we are heading to the New England Aquarium where things got a little bit fishy. If you love marine life, we have the perfect volunteer opportunity for you.
The New England Aquarium has over 800 volunteers and interns each year.
So these are some other enrichment toys.
I got the chance to spend the day with one of those volunteers, Maggie Natopoulos.
The day starts at 8 a.m. So we're walking between the two seal exhibits, testing water quality in the morning, doing like morning cleans, and we start off doing all the fish prep.
Part of that fish prep includes making toys for the marine mammals, or fishicles as they're called. And I got to help.
So like this fish, I could just put at the bottom?
You can even put up to 3 of those smaller ones called capelin in.
Okay. So then like what, put this toy like on top of it?
Yeah, and then you just fill it up with water.
And put them in the freezer to set.
You just drop these on a shelf.
Once frozen, it was time to give them to the marine mammals.
Slowly but surely, it will come around. Great opportunity to build trust with the animals, especially in the marine mammal department.
Maggie already has a couple years at the aquarium under her belt and doesn't plan to leave anytime soon.
It's so hard to leave working hands-on with these animals because they're so beautiful and intelligent, and to be able to showcase how amazing the wonderful world of the ocean is really why I'm here.
So most of the positions at the aquarium require volunteers to work 1 full day a week for at least 6 months. So for more information on how you can help, just head on over to our website, WHDH.com. Now tomorrow, we are lacing up our sneakers to learn about a volunteer opportunity that you will see in action on Marathon Monday. So this is pretty cool. All the stories this week have been so interesting to see these unique and different ways that you can volunteer in our area.
I'm looking forward to that one. Are you going to go running yourself tomorrow?
I did. And they were like, yeah, just run with them. And these people run marathons, and I don't. And I'm like, okay, so tell us about, I'm like running out of breath trying to keep up with them and ask them questions.
So it's fun to do an interview while you're running a marathon.